Every ninth grader has ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini open on their phone. Almost none of them understand what is happening behind it. The perception, the reasoning, the decision loop. That gap is actually where the opportunity is. I am Kumail Raza. I've spent 10 plus years in BA Engineering and Analytics, including as Principal Consultant Data Analytics at Systems Limited, building enterprise-grade data solutions across the GCC and EMEA regions. I'm a Microsoft recognized super user in the Power BI community, certified in Azure Engineering and Azure Data Engineering, and I hold a data science certificate from Columbia University. In krmaazha's Agentic AI Bootcamp, we go past the surface. We will build the actual agent environment loop, perceive, reason, act, learn. You will write tool calling API loops, the same mechanism that lets an AI agent actually do something instead of just answering a question. And for our advanced students, we go into multi-agent architecture systems where multiple agents coordinate, not just one model responding to a prompt. This isn't theory in a slide deck. You will leave with a real good GitHub portfolio, production style code reviews, and hands-on experience with the exact pattern used in the real AI products. The kinds of project that stands out on a university application or an internship review. Whether you are heading into O-levels, A-levels, or already in a CS degree, this is the difference between saying I know Python and being able to explain how an agent actually perceives, reasons, and act. And I stand behind this teaching enough that if you show up and do the work, 80% attendance, assignments on time, for which I'm going to support you, I refund 80% of your fees. Cohort 2 starts September 1st. Seats are limited. Link is below. Let's start.